Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed that worksheet 2 problems, right? From that fractions and decimals, and here we are going to start that worksheet 3 problems. Okay, let us see that what is the first question. A decimal number is a fraction whose denominator is let us example, let us take that 0.53. 0.53. How we can write this one? See here in that numeral form, what is the number here? 53 is there. Okay, 53 by, and here point after how many digits there, ma? Point after here 2 digits there, no? So we can write this one as 10 into 10. Shall we write like this? And in the same way here 0.2 is there. We can write this one as 2 by, and here point after only 1 digit is there. So we can write this one as 10. Understand? Next 0.253 is there, for example. Okay, we can write this one as 253 by, and here point after how many digits there, ma? 3 digits are there. So how many times we can take the 10 here? 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10. Clear? As per this one and so on, here we can write this one as 2 by 10 to the power of 1. 2 by 10 to the power of 1. And here we can write this one as 2 by 10. How many times there here? 2 times. So we can write this one as 10 square. And this one we can write it as 253 by 10. How many times there, ma? Here 3 times there. So 10 cube. Understand? And so on. So these all are the fractions. These all are the fractions we can convert as decimals, right? So any decimal number we can convert into that fraction form. Then the denominator must be here 10 or powers of 10. 10 or powers of 10. So as per this one, which option is correct here? 10. 10 is correct. And in the same way, powers of 10. Powers of 10 also correct only. So as per this one, 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Any option we can take that. If the denominator is 10, then also that is a decimal fraction. If the denominator is the powers of 10, then that is also a decimal fraction. Understand, ma? So as per this one, answer is 1 or 2. Clear? Yes. Next one. If 3.7504 is expressed as a decimal, then the answer is, first say that here in that word form they given, no, 3 point decimal point. Point after each and every digit we have to read it as individually only, without using the place values we have to read that. Understand, ma? In the decimal part what values are there? Those all the digits just you have to read individually. Okay, without using the place values. Understand? So as per that one here 3.7504 7504 is expressed as a decimal number. Then what is the value? Then here 3.7504. Understand? So as per this one here, which option is correct, ma? Option 3 is correct. Next one. In 2.853, the integral part and the decimal parts are 2.853. Okay, we can write this one as 2.000. Why? Because the 3 decimal places there, no? So 2.000. And here we can write this one as 0.853. 0.853. Then only we will get that at 2.853. Understand? So we will call this one as integral part. Integral part, and this is called decimal part. Understand, ma? 2 parts there, no? In the decimal numbers we have the 2 parts. What are those? Means left side of a decimal point we are having integral part, and the right side of a decimal point, left side of decimal point is called integral value. Okay, and the right side of a decimal point, this is decimal point, no? This is called a decimal part. and decimal part along with a 0 point you have to take here. Understand ma? So which options are correct here? 2 and 2.00 means again we need to take that one as 2 only, no? Okay, so here 2 and 0.853. 2 is that integral part and 0.853 is the decimal part. Understand? Yes. Next, 37.430 is written in expanded form. Just say that 37 point. Better to write as decimal place values, no? Okay. What is that number here? 37.430. Understand? Write the place values here. Just a decimal point before, left side of decimal point we are having here place values ones, tens, and this is the decimal point. This is called 10th place. 10th place, and this is called 100th place. TH is compulsory here, and this is 1000th place. 1000th place. Okay, again we can write this one as 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Understand ma? Now what they're asking? Expanded form. 3 is in that tens place, so 3 into 10. 7 is in ones place, so 7 into 1. Plus here 4 is in 10th place. We can write this one as 4 into 1 by 10. 4 into 1 by 10. Plus 3 is in 100th place, so 3 into 1 by 100. Plus, and here 0 is there in that 1000th place. 0 into 1 by 1000th. Understand ma? So which option is correct as per this one here? 3 into 10, 7 into 1, 4 into 1 by 10, 3 into 1 by 100, 0 into 1000. Okay, this is also correct. And in the same way, 3 into 10, 7 into 1, 4 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Why? Because here 0 into 1 by 1000 is again 0. Understand? So as per this one here, this is also correct answer only. So finally here the answer is 1 and 2. Option 3 is correct here. Understand? Yes. Finally the answer is option 3. Next one. Statement 1 is, if A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, C is equal to 7 and D is equal to 8. Okay, then here 0 point CBDA. So 0 point, what is the value of C here? 7. B value is here 4. D value is 8. A value is 3. 0.7483. 0.7483. Here also we got the same value, right? So as per this one, statement 1 is true here. Statement 1 is true. Next to come to that statement 2 here, x by 10 plus y by 100 plus z by 1000 plus a into 1000 again. So this is 10,000 ma. Okay, a into 10,000. Actually these are the place values. We can write this one as x into 1 by 10 plus y into 1 by 100 plus z into 1 by 1000 plus a into 1 by 10,000. Understand? Where we can see that kind of place values ma? Those all are decimal values only, no? So we can express this one as 0.xyza. This is the value. To this one only we can express like that. Understand? 0 point means 0 into something, again we will get that 0. So that's why here we can write this one as 0.xyza. But here they given that xyza only. Understand? So that's why here the second option is a false statement. Second one is a false statement. As per this one, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Understand ma? Yes. Next, sixth one, see here, if A is equals to 47.35, 47.35, B is equals to 148.96, C is equal to 1.253, D is equals to 3.496. Okay. Just say that A is equal to 47.35, B is equal to 148.96, C is equal to 1.253, D is equal to 3.496. As per this one, what they are asking, like decimals we need to find out. So like decimals means what ma here? Having that same decimal places, having that same number of decimal places, same number of decimal places. So as per this one here, the like decimals are A is equal to 47.35 and B is equal to 148.96. Why? Because these two means here two decimal places. And here also we are having two decimal places, 9 and 6. That's why here A comma B are like decimals. A comma B are like decimals. What about the leftover two here? A and C are unlike decimals and A and D are unlike decimals. Next B and C are unlike decimals, B and D are unlike decimals. Next another pair of like decimals there. No, what are those two ma here? C and D. C is equal to 1.253. D is equal to 3.496. 1.253, 3.496. Here 3 places and here also 3 places. Decimal places. And here also 3 decimal places. Understand? So as per this one, another like decimals pair is C comma D. Okay, the first pair is A comma B, another one is C comma D. Okay, as per the options, which one is correct? A and C. So A and C are unlike decimals. Okay, so this is wrong. Next B and C also unlike decimals. Next A and D also unlike decimals. Next A and B only like decimals. Understand ma? Yes. Next one. 7th one, say that if A is equal to 47.35, yes, just like the previous one only, A is equal to 47.35, B is equal to 148.96, C is equal to 1.253, D is equal to 3.496. As per this one, what we need to find out here? Unlike decimals, we need to find out. Okay, unlike decimals are what here? A and C. Yes, A and C are unlike decimals. A and C are unlike. Why? Because here 47.35, 2 decimal places there, and here 2 decimal places there, and C is equal to 1.253. Here 3 decimal places are there. Understand, ma'am? Here 2 decimal places. And here 3 decimal places. Clear? Yes. That's why A and C are unlike. Next B and C. Yes, B and C also unlike. B and C also unlike decimals only. Okay, so both 1 and 2, A and B are like decimals. A comma B are like decimals. Understand ma? As per this one here, which options are correct here? A and C satisfies, B and C satisfies. So answer is both 1 and 2. Understand? Yes. Let us see here ma, next 8th question. What is that 8th one here? If A is equals to 47.35. Okay, next B is equals to 148.96, and what is the value of C here? C is equal to 1.253. Next D is equals to 3.496. So as per this one here, 4 values they given, no, A, B, C, D. Now we need to find out here what is the value of this expression. So what is that expression here they given? 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. As per this one here, 1 plus something is there, no? So 1 is that integral part, no, here. So that's why 1 point. Point after here 2 by 10, 5 by 100, 3 by 1000. So we can say that those 3 digits also related to decimal places, right? We can write this one as 1.253. 1.253. As per this one here, this one is related to which option from this one here? 1.253 is the value of here C. Is the value of C. So which option is correct here? D, C, D, A. Sorry, this is B, I think. D, C, B, A, just change that option here. Which option is correct here? Option 2 is correct, that is C. Understand? Yes. Next, ninth one. In 206.428, the place value of the underlined digit. So 206.428. What is the place value of 8 they are asking? This is the place value of 10th. 10th. And this is a 100th. This is a 1000th. Okay, what value they are asking? 8 value only, no? So answer is 1000th. Okay, yes. Next one. Here spelling mistake is there, that is 100th. Okay, ma? But here answer is 1000th place. Next, 10th one. Write in decimals 10 integers 4 upon thousands. 4 upon thousands. So as per this one, which option is correct? Just to say that 10 integers. So here we are having that integral part. Right? Integral part, and here decimal point, and here decimal part. Clear? What is that integral part here? Integral part, they are saying 10 integers there. So 10 integers, 10, and here in the decimal part 4 upon thousands. Thousands. Okay, we can write that one as 4 by 1000. 4 by 1000. Understand, ma? So as per this one, if you simplify this one, again you will get it as 10 integers and 4 upon that 1000. So 4 you will get in thousands place only. Just to say that here we can write it as 1000 into 10, which is equals to 10,000. 10,000 plus 4 is equal to 10,004. So 10,004 by 1000 we will get here. Okay. So how much you will get, ma? 10,004 by 1000. We will get it as, after how many points we will get that point here? 1, 2, 3. So 10.004. As per this one here, 4 is in thousandth place or not? Okay, that's what they are saying here. Okay, as per this one here, which option is correct, ma? 10 and 4 by 1000. 10 and 4 by 1000. Understand, ma? Yes. Next, 11th one here, 300.010. 300.010. We can write this one as 300.010. Okay, integral part we can write it as 300, and here this one we can write it as 010 by 1000. Okay, 300 and 010 by 1000. Okay, otherwise this one only we can write it as 300, and here 0 is there, no need to write that 0 here. No, why? Because here that is not having value. Point after, decimal point after here 0 is there, means no need to consider it. Okay, directly significant value we can write that. That is insignificant, no? So you can leave that. Finally answer is 10 by 1000. As per this one here, which option is satisfying, ma? Here 310 by 1000 is satisfying, or else 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So as per that one, 301 by 100 is satisfying, but here that option is not there, no? So that's why better to go for that 310 by 1000. Decimal point after significant digit and insignificant we have to say. Insignificant digit is 0 and significant means 1 to 9 digits. Any digit is significant only. Significant means which has value, and 0 is not having value, no? So that's why here 0 is insignificant digit. Understand, ma? So that's why here in the decimal point no need to consider that. No need to consider that. Immediately decimal point after immediately 0 is there, means no need to consider. Again decimal point after 10 is there, then we can consider it as 10 only. Okay, 1 and 0. But 0 and 1 is there, means we can write it as 0.1. Understand, ma? Yes. So up to here in this video, totally 11 questions we discussed. In that next video, the leftover 11 questions there we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.